This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit. Let's unbox it. Today, we have my favorite thing ever. This is Pucky. This is the Pucky Egg Beanie. I'm so excited. I needed to get the whole set of these because if you remember from my one Pop Mart video, I opened up one box and that box I had the little egg tart and I lost my because I knew I needed to get this whole set. Now, this whole set is on Pop Mart, which they haven't had in eons. So I had to look at StockX to come save the day. And I'm glad that I did because I actually got the whole set much cheaper than what I would have spent if I would have purchased it through Pop Mart. That said though, it was still a pretty penny. It was about like $180 something. But it's okay though, you get 12 little boxes and I am just so excited. So we're just gonna like, just shut the up and we're gonna open them. Here are all your little choices. I, again, have the egg tart. We have a little mystery guy down here. I forgot what the mystery guy is. Hopefully we get it, that would be great. The last time I got something through StockX, I actually did get a mystery item, I think the Wacky Mart, so maybe we might get lucky. Maybe, I don't know. But okay, so I did also verify that these are real, legit. So if you were curious, StockX has so far been very good to me. So thank you. All right, this feels like a fat boy. I think this is going to be, I feel like it's gonna be my egg tart. I don't know why, I feel like it's gonna be an egg tart. I feel like there's like two different pieces in here. I feel it in my bones, so. Look how sweet he is. He's such a fat piece of shit. I love him. I love him. Oh, mother, you are, oh wait, there's two pieces to him. Oh no, there isn't, it's just this. Oh, do not eat, thank you. Always need that reminder. Okay, so we have the egg roll. Oh my God. First of all, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is so cute. Oh, he's so cute, I love him. Okay, so we have the egg roll. All right, I was completely wrong with that one, but it's okay. Oh, it's kind of hard to tell now because they all have little maracas in them. I think it's gonna be the egg waffle cone. I think it's gonna be this guy. I just feel it in my bones. Let's see if I'm right. Oh no, it's omurice. Okay. First of all, if you've never had omurice before, you are up, go have it. It is absolutely delicious. It's egg on top of rice, and they this one place that we go to in Orlando, when they cut it open, it basically looks like the rice is like giving birth, kind of like an alien. It's really cool. I like it. Usually have some curry on there. It's so good. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so very, very happy so far. Got our babies, and I've been horribly wrong, but it's okay. It's okay. Box number 3. I feel like box number 3 is going to be the scrambled egg toast. I feel like that's what it's gonna be. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, no, I'm not right. We got a hard-boiled egg. Oh, I'm so sorry. But look how sweet he is. Oh my God, fuck me. I mean, oh, that's weird. But you know what I mean though? Look how cute he is. Oh my God, I love him. I love him. I have to say, I think this is like the one set that I'm like super happy that I got the whole thing because I love eggs so much. Eggs is like one of my favorite things to eat. And this little Pucky guy is like one of my favorite little creatures that I found so far from Pop Mart universe. And it's so good. Oh my God, so good. Okay, so let's see what this one is. I think, I feel like it's gonna be the sunny side up one. I don't know why. I feel like this box is kind of cool, just like him. And I feel like he's gonna be in there. Let's see if I'm right. Bitch! Okay. Bitch! I feel so good about this. Okay. This is him. Oh, what a sweetie little shit. I love him. And he comes with a teeny tiny bottle of sunscreen. Oh, our boy wants to be protected. Hold on, let me just pop this in his little hand. Oh my God, shut the f up. That is the sweetest thing I've ever seen. Oh, bitch. Okay, that's so cute. I gotta say, so far, we've been doing very, very well. And I love Pucky. Pucky's great. So now we have box number 5. I think box number 5, okay, now I'm feeling, ooh, I feel like this one's gonna be a little bit heavy. I'm gonna say that this is going to be the century egg. I really want that century egg. I think it's gonna be century egg. No, I was wrong, but no. Oh, what are you? I don't even know who you are. Oh, you're a poached egg. Oh, look at this little bitch. He's a poached egg. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, I love him. Super adorable. Love me a good poached egg. So far, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. I've only been right one time. So obviously today is not the day to play the lottery. It's okay. Oh, this is heavy. This is heavy. This has to be, ooh, I'm gonna say this is tamago sushi. I think this is gonna be tamago sushi. It feels heavy. Shut up, bitch. Who is right? It's me, bitch. Okay. Here's our tamago sushi. Oh my God. If you are ever down by downtown Disney, or I'm sorry, Disney Springs, and if you ever go to the Morimoto restaurant, at nighttime they have sushi, and this is the only time you can get it. You can only get this at nighttime or like dinner. Tamago. Their tamago is the best thing ever. Oh my God, it's so fucking good. I love their little tamago sushi. And I usually get a bunch of them because I just love eggs. And so this reminds me of Morimoto, and I love that. Oh my God, I love it. I love being right, you know? I love being right. Okay, so we are halfway. We've opened up 6 boxes. We have 6 more to go. I feel good. I feel good. This one's going to be, it's a light boy. I'm gonna say that this is going to be the omelet, which is this little guy right down here. Feels like it's an omelet. No, it's not. It's scrambled toast. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, he's fun. He's so fun. These are so cute. They're so well made. I'm a little nervous. Maybe not. I don't know. This is scrambled egg toast, by the way. I haven't hit that egg tart yet. I wouldn't be upset if I didn't get it. That means I get the secret. That would be great. Fingers crossed. Let's see if we're gonna get that. Ooh, this one feels weighty. Oh, I really want that century egg. I'm gonna say that this is a century egg. It feels a little heavy. It's the little cone guy, which is so funny because that's what I wanted to say. I should just go with my gut. I wanted to say that it was going to be the egg waffle cone, but I feel like I said this so many times that people would be like, shut up, bitch, it's not it. But I should have just trusted my instinct. But look how cute, though. Look at this little egg waffle cone. That's so cute. Oh, it looks like he has a tiny baby Pucky in there with him. Oh my God, that's so cute. I can't. This whole collection, I swear. Adorable. We have 4 more boxes left. This one feels like it's going to be the egg tart. Feels like there's an extra piece in here. So I'm gonna say this is the egg tart. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, it's the fucking omelet. Oh my God, that's so cute. Look at that little omelet. That's so adorable. Okay, I'm not mad at it. We have 3 left. Haven't seen the egg tart. Could be great, could be awful. Also have not seen the century egg. Again, could be great, could be awful. So far what we are missing is the steamed egg, the century egg, the egg tart, or potentially the mystery character. All right, I feel like this is going to be the egg tart. I feel like this is gonna be the egg tart. I was right. Okay, so I'm actually not gonna open this because I already opened it, but I'm gonna give it to my mom now. But this is a little card that you get. It's super cute. I'll insert a photo here of the one that I have. So, okay, all right, not the end of the world, but we have 2 left, which I'm a little scared now because I really want that century egg and I feel like we might not get it. Okay. We have 2 left. I'm gonna open up this one. All right, I think it's going to be, I have a feeling we're going to be on my toes today and my stomach feels sick thinking about this, but I think this is gonna be the steamed egg. It just feels like it's gonna be the steamed egg. Bitch, I'm right. Which makes me really scared. Oh my God, if we don't get that century egg, which I mean, like, we're getting the special, but I want the century egg though. I want the century egg. So anyway, steamed egg, so cute. It's like in a little bowl of soup. Adorable, sweet, love it. Has a little fish cake as a hat. Like the sweetest thing I've ever seen. But now I'm scared. Now I'm nervous. Now I'm nervous. Oh God. I really want the century egg. So here again, it's either gonna be this or it's gonna be this. All right, it's gonna be one of those. I like the century egg because it feels very gothic and I love that. Come on, blind box gods. What are the odds of me pulling this last and me sweating, okay? Sweating, shitting my pants over here. All right, let's try. Yes, bitch! Okay. Okay, so we did not get the special, but we got the one that I really, really wanted. You cannot tell me this is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. I'm sorry. First of all, he pops in and out of his little egg holder. He is the cutest little thing. He looks so fucking evil. I love him to pieces. Oh my God, he's so fat. I love him so much. Oh, I'm so happy with this whole set. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm a little sad because I was kind of hoping it would be like perfect and that I wouldn't get the egg tart and I would actually get the special one, but out of curiosity, okay, it's 1 out of 144 chances. And let me see on eBay, because my favorite thing now also is seeing how much some of the figures go on eBay. Oh, astronomical, bitch. So I want to see, let's see if we can find it. I am a completionist. I hate that about me. So let's see, what is the special one? Okay, $56. So this is the cheapest I've seen so far, which I mean, 56 bucks? No. That's a little too rich for my blood. If it was like maybe 25, 30, I'd be like, oh, okay, but not 56. There was someone on eBay selling this shit for like $104 for one of them. Oh, 252, get the bitch. No, just like gambling, sometimes you gotta know when to walk away, and I gotta walk away. This was so much fun. I really like the set. This exceeded my expectations. I think they're all so cute. Oh, bitch. I cannot wait to organize my room now. I cannot wait. I look so forward to that. I'm such a little geek. Anyway, now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you are into the Pucky series in general. If you love the egg beanies, I do. Like, fucking everybody should have one, especially the century egg. Oh my God, you're so evil. I love you. But please do let me know. And of course, if there's any blind boxes that you're like, bitch, you haven't opened this yet, you should check these out, please let me know, because I love opening up blind boxes. They're so much fun. And I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your faces. And I'll see you little garbage cans later. Bye.